Hey everybody, what's going on? Richard Hale here with teachingonlinebusiness.com. Want to thank you for taking the time to be here. Thanks for your support. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. We're always doing videos like this to help you make money online, to help you start a business, to help you grow a business, talking all things online marketing and digital marketing. So thank you for that. Today's video, how to make money online, 7 skills that can make you 7 figures. Before I get into this, these are 7 skills that I have mastered over the 10 plus years that I've been working online and making money online. And these are skill sets that are still highly sought after today. And there's no question in my mind that each individual skill set that I'm going to be talking about today can make you 7 figures. Now, I know everybody's aim's not 7 figures, but I want you to keep in mind you can make unlimited income if you have everything set out right. I'm going to give you the skill sets today. You have to make sure that you're applying and implementing it, okay? So, without further ado, let's get into the list. Number 1, consultant. Consultant is one of the main ways that I make money online. I am a digital marketing strategist and consultant, and I use digital marketing, my skill set, to help businesses improve their skills, make more money, grow their business, get more sales, get more clients. That's what I use consulting for. It's one of the easiest ways to make money online, and it requires you to be a master at something. For me, it's digital marketing. That's what I know. That's my skill set. But here's the deal. When it comes to consulting, there's consultants for every niche imaginable out there. You could be a weight loss consultant. You could be a fitness consultant. You could be a marketing consultant, business consultant. There's opportunities everywhere. The bottom line, if you can help somebody get what they want, they will gladly pay you. Billions of dollars are spent on information. People trying to obtain information. It's no different with consulting. Use your consultant skills and you can make a lot of money based on what you know, based on your knowledge, based on your experience. Number 2, Facebook ads. There's no question Facebook ads is one of the most highly sought after skills in the world right now. And it's because businesses realize that their customers are on Facebook and even social media. But with Facebook specifically, Facebook has over 2 billion users. Every business knows their audience is on Facebook. And you'll find out probably 99% of the businesses out there can find their target audience using Facebook, and this is why they're utilizing this channel to grow their business. And just to give you a ballpark figure, some of our Facebook ad clients pay us anywhere between $2,000 to $5,000 a month per client to run and manage their Facebook ads. So that's a skill set you need to have and one that can make you a lot of money. Number 3, video production. Video is, without question, the top content type that businesses want. Used to be blogs, used to be infographics, used to be podcasts. It's shifted over to video now, especially with the social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube doing live video. So anything to do with video production, creating video, doing video scripts, you can make a lot of money right now. So if you have this skill set where you're able to create awesome videos, you can make a lot of money. And just to give you an example, think about the Dollar Shave Club. When they made that viral video that was only a few minutes long, and it ended up launching their business. The video went viral, and they sold their business for $1 billion. That's the power of video. That's the power of a viral video. And when you can create something like that, you can make a ton of money doing so. Number 4, SEO. Search engine optimization. It's still a major industry. When I started over 10 plus years ago in SEO, nobody really even knew about it back then. This was 2008. It was just starting to get popular, but businesses, they didn't understand what SEO meant. Now, if you don't know what SEO is the process that we use to get businesses ranked on top of Google. That way they can take advantage of Google's organic traffic. There's specific keywords that we target, and we help businesses rank for those specific key terms. SEO is a huge industry. It is a highly sought after skill set, and one that's really not complicated to learn. Out of all the marketing skills, and I would label SEO as a digital marketing skill, SEO is probably the easiest to learn and the easiest to make money with. If you can master search engine optimization, there's no question you can make a lot of money doing so. Number 5, copywriting. You don't hear copywriting being thrown around as an opportunity to make money, but copywriting is probably one of the most important skill sets that any digital marketer can have, or any business. And if you can master copywriting and you can persuade people to take action, and ultimately that's ending in sales for a business, you can make a lot of money online. There's copywriters out there that make millions of dollars for writing single ads and sales videos and sales pages and different things like that. Some of them being just a few hundred words. Now, while you may not make that much right now, that can be the end goal. But first, you have to master the art of copywriting and being able to persuade people to take action. And I don't mean that in a bad persuasion technique, like mind tricking people and different things like that. It's not about that. A lot of people have to be persuaded to take action in order to change their life. I think about this in digital marketing. Many people are so timid to be able to start a business, so we have to use copywriting. So they take that leap, they take that action, then they're like, you know what, I am going to start a business. And that's the power of copywriting and the power of words. When you can take your words and get people to take action, it's a highly sought after skill and one that can make you a lot of money. Copywriting is used in email, on websites and blogs. I mean, copywriting is used in any form of writing to get somebody to take an action. So there's a lot of opportunities out there for you guys to connect with businesses, to provide copywriting service and help people get results. Number 6, drop shipping. Drop shipping is one of the easiest business models that you can create. It's one of the easiest ways to get started with a business, because with drop shipping, there's not much you have to do. You start your Shopify website, you connect with a manufacturer, you get some products up, you sell those products, you connect with the manufacturer, you place the order, and you're done. So with drop shipping, you don't need this big warehouse. You don't have to do inventory. You don't have to buy products prior, nor do you have to ship these items out. And those are some of the reasons that everybody's flocking to drop shipping right now, and they're making a lot of money doing so. You start your Shopify website, find some products that you're passionate about, that you know will sell, put them up, drive traffic to it, collect money. I mean, I don't want it to sound that easy, but it's simple, and anybody can do it, and anybody can make money with drop shipping. And unlike a traditional store that has to worry about shipping and inventory and storing in a product warehouse, you don't have to worry about anything like that. You put your website up, you connect with your manufacturer, and you can even automate that whole process of when somebody buys, you place an order. Very, very effective way to make money online. And lastly, number 7, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is not nothing new, but as a skill set, if you can master affiliate marketing and you know how to create these niche websites that drive specific people, you can make a ton of money. I've been using affiliate marketing business models for years, and it's been able to generate a lot of income for me and a lot of income for my clients. So with affiliate marketing, you get paid to sell somebody else's product or service, mainly products, but there's some affiliate programs out there that are still doing services. And here's the thing, just like with consulting, just like with SEO, as the whole world is a business opportunity, anybody in the world can be your potential customer. The same goes with affiliate marketing. You can sell any product in any niche in any market. You just have to understand the concepts and having a successful business model in place that's going to help you generate a lot of income. But with affiliate marketing, again, there's millions of them out there that you can join And many of them, probably 99.9% of them, are free to join. So you don't have to have a bunch of money. All you need is a website and hosting. Really, that costs you $50, $70 for the whole year, and you can at least get started with affiliate marketing. So in closing, look, consulting, Facebook ads, video, SEO, copywriting, drop shipping, and affiliate marketing. These are 7 skills that you need to become familiar with, because if you have these 7 skill sets, there is a ton of ways that you can make money online. If you don't have these skill sets, don't worry, you can learn them. In fact, I created a free course that I want to offer you. The link is below this video. Get signed up to this free course. Get into my free training, and we're going to be talking about these skills, talking about the business models that I use around these skills and using them in real life. I will help you, walk you through step by step, and show you everything that you need to do. So make sure you go below, follow that link, get signed up, and I'll see you on the free training video. For everybody else, thank you for taking the time to be here. Hope you have an awesome day. And again, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you do. That way you get notifications when we're coming out with new videos. So appreciate everybody. Thank you for your time. Have a good one. Go make some money. We'll talk to you later.